For math today, we're going to begin with our Kahoot. We're going to focus on fractions and partitioning. Here we go. Okay, the top number of a fraction. The top number of a fraction is the question. What's it called? We have a fraction bar. The top number is called the numerator. So whatever number's on top is called the numerator. You should have selected the circle orange. Okay, a lot of us chose unit fraction. A unit fraction is a whole fraction. A unit fraction is any fraction that has a numerator of 1. It could be 1/2. It could be 1/3. Okay, let's keep going. All right. Look at your question at the top.
It says eating watermelon.
Good work. Okay, most of us got the correct answer. Our question says, what is a unit fraction? A unit fraction is any fraction where the numerator is 1, right? So you should have selected this one. Fraction where the numerator is a 1. Great work. Yay, look at those points. Look at your question at the top. All right, good work. We got a perfect score. Woohoo! If you have 1 whole, divide it into 4 parts. It will be 1/4. Nice job. Oh, sorry, I skipped the points. We'll do it next time. Here we go. Awesome job. We almost got it all correct. Our question says, what fraction does the image show? Some of us chose 1/2, but we had a shape cut into thirds, sort of like this. Okay, so it's our unit fraction because the numerator is 1. And the bottom number tells how many parts there are. There were 3 equal parts, so 1/3 is correct. Woohoo! Good effort. Keep up the good work, 3rd grade. Awesome. Looks like we got, most of us got denominator. A few of us chose some other answers. Remember, the bottom number in a fraction is always called the denominator. The bottom number goes down. It's called the denominator. Good effort. Let's keep it up.
Miss Renale?
Yes, Ashley.
Why it has some random there's some answers and there's random. I saw one that's 10,000 something.
Yep. There are some silly answers in this Kahoot. All right. Look at some people who are on fire, fire, fire. Keep up the good work.
I chose the wrong one.
Bummer. Nice job. This was a little bit of a tricky one. Our prompt said 1/2, so you had to match it to something that makes sense. This makes sense. If you have 1 whole and you divide it into 2 equal parts, we will get the unit fraction of 1/2 on both parts because it's talking about 1 part and there's a total of 2 equal parts. Uh-oh, we have a cat coming up to the top. How'd a cat get in the game? Awesome. Look at all those correct answers. This is a word problem. Mitchell broke his chocolate bar into 3 equal pieces. So right now you should be thinking about a picture, thinking about 3 equal pieces. Each piece is blank of the chocolate bar. Well, each piece will be a unit fraction. We know it will be a 1 in the numerator. And our denominator tells us how many parts total. So I count 1, 2, 3 parts. So the denominator would be 3. Great effort. I love seeing what you know about fractions. Keep it up. Awesome. Very similar word problem. Brianna has a pizza cut into 6 equal parts. Each slice of pizza is blank. Well, we know that each piece would be a unit fraction, right? It each have a numerator of 1, and there are 6 total parts. So 1/6 would be the unit fraction, which is the name of each part. All right, let's see who can advance and gain some points. Who's gonna do it? Crushing it. Yes, awesome. 1 whole divided or partitioned into 8 equal parts. We know that would be represented with the fraction 1/8. No change to the scoreboard. Let's keep going. Yay! Amazing. Great work, 3rd grade. There's some movement. Who's crushing it? Who's getting all the answers correct?
Miss Brenda, I think this board is broken. I'm still in the same place.
Oh, bummer. All right, here's the next one. Read your question. Man, that was fast. So remember yesterday we talked about how fractions can also represent items in a group or a set. So imagine Takis, right? Imagine if you had a group of Takis. This isn't just one whole, but this is a set or a group. And if Jace divided his Takis into 4 equal sections parts, so one part of it. So sometimes fractions can represent a set or a group, and we will learn more about that as we move beyond unit fractions. Great job answering 1/4 correctly. I am impressed with you guys. Awesome job. If there is a 6 in the denominator, that tells us that there are 6 equal parts in the whole. Great work. Oh yeah, crushing it. Nice job. This is a hard one, boys and girls, but we did a really good job thinking about comparing fractions. Crushing it. Look at us with this A+ score. All right, you guys have been focusing your attention. Are we going to make it to 1,000? I mean, 10,000? You guys are already past 1,000. Great work. One whole divided into 3 equal parts would be represented by 1/3. Woo! We made it past 10,000. Last one. Here we go. Yay! What a perfect ending to our Kahoot. Celebrate, celebrate. Great job. Let's check out our scores and see how we did as a group. Woo! All right. All right. Birthday girl won today. Great job. Look at all these amazing graders. Great job. Thank you for reviewing with me. Now we are going to find your real quiz for today to do during your work time. Please go to Activities, click on Assign to Class folder. And we are working in Math, blue. Today our task looks like this. It's called Partition and Unit Fraction Quiz. Please open that up with me. Remember, we are working on this learning target. Today is a quiz day. We are going to show our knowledge of partitioning shapes into equal areas and writing the area of each part as a unit fraction, labeling the unit fraction, just like this picture here. That is what you're going to show your knowledge of today. You have the rest of the time for math today to show your understanding of how you can partition a shape. You can use the drawing tool to partition and to draw lines, or if you want to use the line tool with the shapes, you can do that, whichever way works best for you. On each slide, there is a video of the directions. You can click play to listen.
Partition the shape into thirds. Label the unit fraction on the model. There are blank equal parts.
So for each slide, you need to listen to the directions, you need to do the directions, and there is a question at the bottom or a sentence where you need to fill in the blank. You need to complete all of the slides down through number 6, and then you may push the green check and turn in. Boys and girls, this is a quiz day. I am going to grade all of these slides and take a grade. So make sure you are following the directions. You are partitioning the shape and you are labeling the unit fraction and you are filling in the sentence or question at the bottom. Take your time. The time is now yours to work. And then at 1:35 today, you have robotics.